So we are discussing a problem from Irido. Why we have this is here given as the problem of 3.28. Why? Because a similar problem appeared in JEE exam. So let us discuss this problem, which is very tricky. What it states: there is a plank of the mass m1 and it is kept on a horizontal surface, no friction, that is a smooth, right, frictionless. On this mass is m1. On the top of this a sphere, the mass m2 is kept. Now they are stating here in this problem there is no sliding. No sliding. No sliding means what? At the point of contact, the acceleration, there is no relative acceleration, right? Then the acceleration at this point for this body should be same as, then there will be no sliding, right? Let us see, it's a typical problem. Further they are stating this problem in the Irido, right, that a force F is applied. Now let us understand. This will apply a friction force or axial reaction pair on the plank in the backward direction, and plank will in turn apply due to axial reaction pair on the force Fs, frictional force Fs on the sphere. And what is the moment of inertia for the sphere? Solid sphere is 2/5 mr square, right? And what we have concluded, that force Fs is acting on a sphere. This is rotating it and causing the motion. Is a very typical problem on a sphere. Now let us see what it causes, how rotation we can study. Fs into r, we are studying rotation, okay, of the sphere. Fs into r equal to I alpha, okay, and we know how many equations we know. V equal to r omega, A equal to r alpha, is angular acceleration, is linear acceleration. So all that we have to study. Now Fs into r equal to 2/5 mr square into alpha. This r gets cancelled out. It becomes 2/5 m into r alpha. This r alpha can be rewritten as 2/5. This m is a2 actually, okay, m2 a, we cause it because it's rotation, due to rotation, okay. So we have concluded Fs equal to 2/5 m2, and this is the rotation that is introduced. This is acceleration that is introduced due to rotation. One equation we have got. Another is this Fs will be acting on its center of mass and will be creating the translatory motion also. So next is for translation we are writing. Let us write translation of the sphere. Fs equal to m2 this. So At equal to Fs by m2, okay. And what is AR? Due to rotation equal to 5/2 Fs by m2. What is the, at the point of contact, what is the overall? AR plus AT. AR is 5/2 Fs by m2 plus linear acceleration Fs by m2. Putting them together, adding them together, it gives Fs by m2. It becomes 7/2, right? So overall acceleration is 7/2 Fs by m2, or in the subsequent relation for the Planck, when the needing value of Fs very clearly, you need to rewrite this equation in terms of that as well. 2/7. Now it is A 2/7 A into m2. we need to know with this also, this equation and this equation as well. I hope I have not written anything we can recheck. Now what about Planck? Planck equation we have written as F minus frictional force Fs equal to m1 a1, and at the point of contact these two things are equal, we need not bother. So we can write F minus Fs is 2 by 7, that is A into m2, that is Fs equal to m1, very same value acceleration here. What it gives, let us see. A we can take common, okay, here it becomes m1 plus 2 by 7 m2, okay. So our acceleration we can write, which is the answer also, equal to F upon m1 plus 2 by 7 m2. Now for in the subsequent part they are asking the value of Fs also, so we can calculate. I hope this is clear to you. Is there any difficulty here in this? See, at the point of contact there is no sliding. We have first calculated rotational acceleration that is caused because of rotation, and then translation, very same force. So it is a very typical type of problem. In total acceleration is summation of these two, okay, putting them, adding them together, we have got this equation. We have applied to the Planck. This a1 is same as value, we have got this 7 by 2, this value, okay, this one. Now next is we have added and we have got this equation. This is the answer, and we can I got Irido also, I can show you the answer also. Anyway, you can confirm. We can get the value of Fs here, okay, Fs value we can calculate. Now it's time to show you the problem that has appeared in the exam. So what they have asked, what is acceleration, center of mass, okay. Let me at least complete this problem, that is now reduced to nothing. This is the one part, and they are asking the acceleration for center of mass, that is AT, that is Fs by m2, okay. And what is Fs here? It is this. Fs is, now it is trivial. Fs is 2 by 7 of A into m2. Alright, you can put this value of and get the answer. I will show you the answer for this. Why it is very important? Because over 328, a very same problem had appeared in the exam, so it is very necessary to 328. You can see, where is this? 2 by 7 and 2 by 7 even. Why? Well, and we were calculating Fs, so it was m2, but when we come down to acceleration it will be this. Okay, this problem is over. A very simpler problem, but involving the very same concept appeared in the JEE exam. Where is that? Let me just see. Let me find out. Yes, this is appeared in a problem had appeared in 2014. Now a cylinder and its acceleration is A. Well, Instead of previous problem stated a force is applied. You say force is applied or acceleration is there, hardly there is any difference. And they have given the total acceleration at the point of contact. What they are asking here, let us see, let me read out. Consider horizontal cylinder M